So, Rainforest Cafe is located right next to Caesars. Right here. So this is the Rainforest Cafe, and we're going to go in here to have lunch. So, here's the Rainforest Cafe. Right here. So, there's like several door entrance here. You see one there. So here's the hours, cafe's hours right here. 11 to 9, Saturday, Thursday, Friday 11 to 10, Saturday 11 to 11. And the retail store that they have right here. So this looks like the menu right here. So you got appetizers, soups and salad, give you an idea, seafood. So you get some pretty expensive price, $29. Yeah. Oh, this I can do more relaxed. Or I can do sandwiches. Rainforest Cafe. You got like Atlas there, background. So we got an elephant right here. Good. So this is where we're going to be sitting right here in the rainforest, right near the waterfalls and stuff. So I'll give you a view. There's not too many people in here, a couple. There's a butterfly right there. Probably can't see it too good. It's pretty dark. So it's pretty much empty.